If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Biology. First of all, we are going to know what is biology. Biology is a branch of science which deals with living organisms, both plants and animals. There are so many branches of biology we have, but here we are discussing about some of them. First of all, anatomy. This branch deals with the study of structure and parts of organisms. Second, biochemistry. This branch deals with chemical reaction for life to exist and all chemical processes which are related to living organisms. Next, bioinformatics. In present days, this is very important field of biology. The information technology is used for the study of collection and storage of genomic and other important biological data. Biomedical research. This is related to the study of health and diseases. Next, the fifth one is biophysics. The theories and methods of physical science applied to biological process. Biotechnology. Study of manipulation of living matters, the technical application that uses biological system and living organisms. Botany. Simply, this is the study about plants. Next one is cell biology. Detailed study of cells. Developmental biology. Study of processes through which an organism developed from zygote to a full structure. The next one is ecology. This branch deals with the study about interaction of organisms with one another and with non-living elements of their environment. Environmental biology. This branch deals with natural world, the environment, and especially as affected the human activity. 12th is evolutionary biology. The study about evolution of species over time. The next one is genetics. Simply, this branch is about study of genes. Immunology. This is the branch of medicine and biology concerned with immunity. The next one is marine biology. This is related to the study of animals, plants, and ecosystem of oceans. Microbiology. Study about microscopic organisms and their interaction of other living organisms. 17th, molecular biology. The study of biology at molecular level. Parasitology. Study of parasitic organisms. The next one is physiology. This branch deals with the normal function of living organisms and their parts. Last one is zoology. Zoology is scientific study of the behavior, structure, physiology, classification, and distribution of animals. So, these 20 branches can be considered as important branches of biology, but there are other many branches of biology we have. Some of them are aerobiology, astrobiology, bioengineering, cognitive biology, biomusicology, comparative anatomy, nanobiology, pathology, structural biology, theoretical biology, plant physiology, and many more. This is a small introduction to biology. Here in this video, I discuss about some branches. Many of them are divided into some other branches. I will discuss them later. If I did any mistake, you can correct me by commenting the right information. I will check them carefully. If anyone have any suggestion about biological topics and want me to discuss them, I will try to do that. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon.